But despite the political pressure, accusations, and potential lawsuits, Jerome Powell is staying true to his objective, which is to keep interest rates high enough not to trigger another round of inflation. However, here's the part that almost no one saw coming. So far, we have seen almost no inflation whatsoever from tariffs. Like, according to CNN, consumer prices rose just 2.4% last month. That was less than economists had expected and only slightly higher than the 2.3% rate in April, which was the US economy's lowest inflation since February of 2021. Even Jerome Powell admitted that just a few items are growing in price as a result of tariffs. Although in terms of why this is happening, he offers just one single explanation. That is, stores are still working through the inventory that came into their warehouse before Trump put tariffs in place. Meaning, yes, prices will go up eventually, just not right now, according to Powell. Although in terms of what happens next, the reason Trump is no longer looking to fire Jerome Powell and why people have started to believe that we're forming a new stock market bubble, there's one more topic that most people completely miss that partially explains why asset prices are skyrocketing in value, and that would be the declining US dollar. Look, not to be an alarmist here, but if you're not aware, the value of the US dollar has had its worst start to the year since 1973, meaning each and every day, more money is created, more debt is accumulated, and the higher every other asset balloons. Like, think of it this way. Back in the early 1970s, the value of the dollar was pegged to that of gold, which was set at a fixed price of $35 an ounce. At that time, minimum wage brought in $52 a week, which equated to nearly 1.5 ounces of gold. Well, today that minimum wage would have to increase to more than $4,800 a week just to match. You get where I'm going with this. The value of our dollars lost a significant amount of its purchasing power, while the price of gold is now trading above $3,300 an ounce.